In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Canon PIXMA TS6520 using the WPS method to your Wi-Fi network. So instead to having to enter the password over here, you can simply press the WPS on your Wi-Fi router. So to do this, we need to go on the control panel. You're going to press the home button and then press the down arrow until you select settings. Press OK. Then you're going to select LAN settings is the first option. Select OK. Now choose Wi-Fi. Press OK again. Go down and select Wi-Fi setup. Press OK. Go down and select WPS, push button method. It will tell you connect to a wireless router supporting WPS push button method. Of course we want this, so we'll press OK. So at this point, go on your Wi-Fi router. Obviously, there's so many models out there. You need to find the WPS button on it. It may be located on the front or on the back. You'll have to push that button to enable WPS. Once this is done, go back on your printer quickly and press the OK button. The printer is now trying to find your Wi-Fi network. So give it a few seconds and at the end you should have a confirmation message. Once your printer is connected to your Wi-Fi, you're going to get this confirmation message connected to the wireless router. Press OK and the printer is now connected. Now let me show you how to use it using a phone connected to the same Wi-Fi network, how to print and also how to use the scanner and get the result on your device. No matter if you're using an iPhone or Android smartphone, you're going to go on the App Store or Google Play Store and you're going to search for the Canon Print app. So go over here, magnifying glass, type Canon Print and download this app. You're going to open the app, select agree, then go down the page and press OK. You're not obligated to check these other agree. Press allow, tap on search. Here you can close down this window that they're trying to sell you something. Select allow while using the app. And now you're going to see on the top of your screen that your printer is connected. Canon TS6520 series, although this is a 6520, it's the same thing. You can tap on your printer. So you're going to get your ink levels over here. It's very easy to check them. If you close this window, all the features that you will normally want to access will be on the main display. So if you want to print a document, you're going to click here, print a photo and scan. I'll show you how printing and scanning is done. So let me select print document. Go ahead and find the document you wish to print. Could also be a picture. Once the document is on your display, you'll have over here the next button that you need to tap. Press no. And here are the settings of your print. Now, if you want to change them, simply tap on change and you'll be able to edit the number of copies, the printing range, the paper size, if the media type as well. And this could be important if you're printing on glossy paper, always change and select glossy photo paper if it's the case. If not, the ink will smear. If you're printing on plain paper, like I will in just a few seconds, then just keep it plain paper. You're going to also have color mode if you want to print in black and white or color. And finally, if you want to print on the two sides of the page or not. This is just a one-side page document, so I don't have to worry about that. Once you're done, you're going to press the print button. But before that, I'll simply extend the paper output of the printer. Okay. And wait. And here we go. Our print came out nicely. Now let me show you how to scan and get the results on your phone. To scan, you're going to open the scan lid. And you're going to notice that on the top left corner over here, there is an arrow pointing to this corner. What it means is that you need to take the document you wish to scan, place it facing down, And make sure that the top part of your document is towards the left side. And we're going to bring this corner of your document so it touches the corner with an arrow. Once both are touching, you know that your paper is properly aligned. Close down the lid, and on the app, we simply have to select Scan. Change settings, and here you can select if you're scanning a document, like I do, or a picture. Change if you want the scan to be in color or in black and white, and also the size of the document you're trying to scan. Once you're ready, press the blue scan button down below, and let's wait. It usually takes around 12 to 15 seconds to get a result on our display. Now, it will not be saved automatically. I'll show you what you need to do in just a few seconds. So we're gonna get this screen, and what they show you over here is simply that if your document has multiple pages, let's say you have a 5-page document, well, go ahead and remove this one, put the next page, and press Scan. And like this, you're gonna have multiple pages scanned and it will be combined in one file. But in my case, I just want to scan this page. So I'll press Exit. And now on the lower left side, I will have this icon. It's a square with an arrow pointing up. If you're using an Android smartphone, it may look slightly different, but the same option will be somewhere around here. Tap on it. You're going to select if you want to save it as a JPEG or save it as a PDF file. In my case, it's a PDF, so I'll select that. And now on iPhone, you will be able to share it with your favorite contacts, with your favorite apps, and also other options down below, including printing the scan. Or if you go down over here, save to files, this will save it on the memory of your iPhone. So let's say I want to save it to the iPhone. I'll press save in the folder that I wish. And this is about it. It got saved or shared. You can press the X button, OK, and you can continue using your printer with the other options. If you found my video useful and you want to support my channel, check my Amazon links down below to purchase some replacement ink for this specific TS6520, or some paper, or even a new printer. Every time you go through my Amazon links, I get a very small commission. It doesn't cost you more, but I get that small commission, and it helps my channel going on. Subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.